Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to create an index page in Power BI with interactive navigation. We will add a hover effects to the button, so whenever you move your cursor it gets highlighted, and we will make sure when you click any button it takes you to the right dashboard. For example, if I click on air, it takes me to the air dashboard, and the air button will stay highlighted in blue. Hotel and car is grayed out. So when you click on car is highlighted, air and hotel are grayed out. We'll learn also this, and we will also learn how to create a back button, so no matter wherever you are, whenever you click this, you will go back to your index page. This is a beginner friendly tutorial, and even if you have some experience with Power BI, you will learn a new tricks to make your dashboards more dynamic. A practice file is available in the description, so you can follow along and practice. Let's get started. Let's create an index page by clicking here on the green one. Give the page name as index and drag it to the first, so we have a clarity. Now come to insert, come to buttons, take a blank button, you'll get it here, drag it, make it little big. We need to write a text inside this box. To get that, click on this, click on the format button, click on the button style. First thing, you have to make sure that apply setting to its default before you are entering text. If you scroll down, you have various options. Nothing should be selected other than default. I'll tell you later why. Text on, write it as air, increase the size. If you want to change the font, change the font. You got the text. Now when I hover over on this, I want this to be changed, the border to be changed as blue. Right now it is not changing. To do that, again click here, you are on the format. First change that setting to hover. Now notice this, when it is default, you see this is getting changed, and when it is hover, it will again get a refresh. Now don't do anything on text, anything on icon right now. Come to the border, give it border whatever color you want. Let's give a blue. Now when I hover over, it should work. It is still not working. Why? Because we have not on the action button. Now as soon as you add the action button, it will work. And now if you want to give a shadow, you can just click on shadow and shadow effects will come, and see it is working now. Now we will create hotel and car in the same way, but we'll just click this, copy and control V, so it saves time for us. Now when you are clicking on this and now you want to change the air to hotel, here the apply setting is on hover. First you have to change this to default. Come down, open the text, now write it as hotel and test it. Now when I click, this is also hovering. Again you can take the hotel, copy, control V, come down, making sure that it's on default, come down and write it as car. It is working now. So first part is done. When we hover over, everything is working. Now when I click this, it should take me to the air, right? Now to do that, click on this, come down to the action button, drop down, again come down. In this it's back written as. Open it, write it as page navigation, and in the destination you need a air. Now when I click on the air, it takes me to the air. Now you got it, right? Now come to the hotel, do the same thing, come down, scroll down to the action, take it as page navigation, and ours is hotel. Click on hotel, and now click on card, take it as page navigation and card. It's very simple, right? Now when I click on the card, it takes me to the card. Now the thing is, when I want to go back again, I have to come here. Instead of doing that, we'll add a back button here. How to do that, I'll show you that also. Now just come to the index page and just make sure that everything is working. When I click on hotel, hotel is coming. Okay, one thing I want to share with you is, so make sure whenever you're on the editing mode, you have to press control and then click, then only it will go to the other page. But when you publish this report, at that point of time you don't have to press any control. You just do one click and it's done. Now you're here air. Now again go to insert, come to buttons. This time take a back, just drag back here and make it little small. You don't have to do anything. Now this is open. Now when I hover over, this should change. So it is on default state. Press hover, come down. Okay, you want to change the icon color, the complete icon, it is black. On the hover I want blue. I'll take blue. Now see, it is changing now. Now when I click here, it should go back. Control K, it's coming back. But instead of doing that, the better way what I find is, click on this, again come down, okay, to the action button. Instead of back, I would highly suggest take page navigation and put the destination as, okay, that's very easy. When I click here, it goes to the index. Now I don't have to come back and do it. Now come to the air again, just copy this, come to the hotel. Let's see it works or not. Okay, it's working. Now when I click control and back, it goes to the hotel. Now come to the car, control V, and it is working fine. Why it is working fine? Because we have given this as index and we want every page has a back as index. So it's working for us. We don't have to change again and again. So that's the easiest way. When you hover over, it changes. Now one more thing I want to show, if you want to change we change the icon. If you want to change the border, you can just on the border gets on, and if you want that border also have a light blue, so you can see now it will have a light blue. So you can do in that way also. Okay, okay? I'm not doing for the rest of the thing. Just wanted to show you, you can do any customization you want. So we have done this part also. Now, when I go back, it is working to the index, okay? But when I'm here, and if from here, if I want to go to car or go to hotel, how to do that? Now that we will learn. Come to the index, select all these three. Now you can't select all these three directly from here, because when I press control and this, it goes to the air, right? So come back here, you'll see a selection pane. Make sure this is on. If it is dark, it is in on, and you'll find here also selection pane. Click here. This will open button 1, button 2 and button 3. Select all the button, click on this, press control, click on this, press control, click on this. All three are selected. Now say copy, come to air, paste it here. And now if you want to get it little bit small, you can do all at a time, because we have selected all. Come to the format, come to size and style, and here you can change. Width is 33. So if you want to change width to 200, you can do that. So it gets changed, and then you can just click on this three dots and drag it over to the left side. Now this is working now. Now when I click on hotel, it goes to the hotel, but I want here also. That I'll show you how to do that one also. Just go to the air. Now one thing I want, whenever I'm on air, I want this default to be in blue. I don't want when I hover over. So how to do that? Now click this air, come to the editing mode, go to the button style, on our select default, okay? Come down, take your border as blue. Now you see, I know that I'm on air. Now when I click on the hotel, go back to the second page, I want hotel to be the same. Now if you want to select these three, how we will do it? We'll click on the selection pane. You have 4 buttons here. Why 4? Because this is also one kind of button. So first click here and check this is selecting. So we don't want this. We want this one. Control this one and control this one. So these three are selected. Say copy, come to the hotel and say paste. Now first we will change the air, because we are on hotel, we want air. We don't want air to be having this. Now first we'll change this air border. Okay, how to do that? Click here, come to the format, okay, button style. Now default, keep it at default, and come down, take this color, the one which you had already, and now come to hotel, go up, make sure it is in default state first. It's in default state. Come down, border and blue. Now again come to the selection pane, select all your button 1, button 2, button 3, copy it, come to the card, paste it. Now this time first come to the hotel, come to the format, button style, it's in default, and change the settings of border to gray, and click on the card. Make sure this is on default state. It's always better to go up and check, later we will get confused. Take a blue color. Now you can see a magic. Now when I click on the hotel, only hotel is selected as blue, other two as gray. Now when I click on the air, only air is selected and other two are gray. Let's check the back button. When I click on back button, I'll go to the index page. When I click on hotel, I come to the hotel. When I click on car, I go to the car. And this is where you can make a simple index page, very interactive and easy. Please do share and subscribe. Thank you so much.